Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and over here we do beauty related videos, be that makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, or even hair videos, or anything you choose in the comments. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please be sure to subscribe. It's my goal to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of April, and I would love you to support me and join me on this journey. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to be doing a makeup and chill session, so I'm just going to be playing music and doing my makeup with no talking. So I'm not going to be talking, I'm just going to be doing my makeup and playing some music in the background for you to vibe to. So if you're looking for any product that I used, everything will be linked in the description down below. And let's just get right into it.
I've been down so long, it look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. Straight up to my face. I've been down so long, it look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. Yeah, straight up to my face. There's something ain't wrong when we talk. There's something ain't wrong when we talking. Look like you hiding your problems. Really, you never was solid. No, you can't stun me. You ain't never gonna run me. Just when it look out of reach, I reach back like 1-3, like 1-3, babe. That's when they smile in my face. Whole time they wanna take my place. Whole time they wanna take my place. Whole time they wanna take my place. I know they wanna take my place. Yeah, I can tell that love is fake. I don't trust a word you say. How you better click up after your mistakes. Look you in the face and it's just not the same. I've been down so long, it look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. Yeah, straight up to my face. I've been down so long, it look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. Yeah, straight up to my face. Hey, I've been doing just fine before I met you. Drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Yeah, hey, you tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car, and for years no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover. And I know you can't afford, bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of a mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't never getting older. If you feel you're sinking, I will jump right over into cold, cold water for you. And although time may take us into different places, I will still be patient with you. And I hope you know I won't let go. I'll be your lifeline tonight. I won't let go. Everybody feels hurt sometimes, you know. But what else can we do when we're feeling low? So take a deep breath and let it go. You shouldn't be drowning on your own. And if you feel you're sinking, I will jump right over into cold, cold water for you. And although time may take us into different places, I will still be patient with you. Never getting older. You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. And I know when the hotline bling, it can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline bling, it can only mean one thing. I got my eyes on you, you're everything that I need. I want your hot love and emotion endlessly. I can't get over you. You left your mark on me. I want your hot love and emotion. You're a good girl and you know it. You act so different around me. 'Cause you're a good guy and you know it. You act so different around me. You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. And I know when that hotline bling, it can only mean one thing. And I know when that hotline bling, it can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. You got that long hair, slick back, white t-shirt. I got that good girl faith in a tight little skirt. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. We never go out of style, out of style. I know when that hotline bling, it can only mean one thing. And I know when that hotline bling, it can only mean one thing. You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. What are you yelling for? You screaming out your lungs all day and night. I can't control a girl like you. She needs a Saturday away from home to drink more champagne. I can't mold a girl like you in our designer to remind you. Buy her just her clothes. Can't define her, can't design her. times all day and night. I can't control a guy like you. He needs a Saturday away from home to drink more champagne.
So how was that? Did you enjoy this video? If you like these kind of videos, please let me know and I'll continue to do them. Please be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe if you like. And if you managed to reach this far into the video, I want to say a big thank you. And I'd like you to bombard the comment section with purple emojis. So that's all for this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.